Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel 777 Cosmic Tarot. This is your weekly reading, Saji. We will see what's happening in your love life. We'll see your energy, your person's energy, and what's coming up for you next. So keep in mind, guys, that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies as it suits you, okay? So, and guys, please keep in mind that I post videos in Hindi and English, both the languages, in the same channel. So if ever you come across a video in Hindi, don't get confused, okay? And for a personal reading, you can always visit my website. It's mentioned here on the screen. You can stay in touch with me. My Instagram details are mentioned here. Okay, if you have any queries, you can write it to me there. Ace of Wands reverse. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. So let's see what's happening in my Sagittarius life. Okay. Four of Pentacles in reverse, Judgment. Sagittarius, there's something that I see. There's an offer that you're turning down. There is an offer. Now this could be a career opportunity that you have recently got, but you are not quite keen. There could be a new job that has come your way, a new offer that has come your way, something that has come your way, but you are like not interested and you don't know what to do, like you're confused. So I don't see you very happy with this offer. Whatever has come your way, I don't see you very happy. Maybe you are seeking something more, like you're not very happy with this offer. Okay, so there's something that has come your way. This could be a new job, new career, whatever, but you're not very happy. Knight of Cups in reverse, Two of Pentacles and Hangman. Some of you, as far as your love life is concerned, I feel that somebody has put you in the situation, Sagittarius, Hangman, Two of Pentacles. You don't know the way forward with this person. This person is somebody who has kept you stuck. You don't know what to do. You really don't know. It is like you're literally seeking guidance. You don't know whether to accept this person, whether to move on in life. You don't see any potential with this person. Literally, this person is, you're confused. Like, so at times you feel like giving up on this person, but then the love is so strong that you're being pulled to this person again. It is like a divine force that is bringing you back to this person. You want to go away from this person, but this person somehow, their thoughts or their memories, they come back to you. You want to move away from this person, but somehow I don't see you moving away. You're stuck. You don't know the way forward in this relationship. Lovers reverse. You know what, guys? This is a divine connection, but you don't see this as the person you wished for. I know that you love this person a lot. There's no doubt. You are, this is, see, you want commitment, you want stability, and maybe this person has already told you that they are going to marry you, they are there for you, whatever it is, but you are not happy. I don't see you happy in this relationship. There is something that's just not going as per how you wished for. You don't see any potential. You don't see that there is an equal give and take in this relationship, Sagittarius. You feel that this person is a player, this person is juggling you with something else. Could be career, could be you're dealing with somebody who is in some other relationship, whatever it is. For some of you, maybe you're focusing on career, okay? Maybe because you have been disheartened in this relationship. You don't know the way forward, and now you've come to a point where you are like, let me focus on my pentacles. Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, back to back. It is for some of you, yes, you both, maybe your person and you both are trying to ignore each other. Maybe you're not talking to each other. Look at these two people. They're just not facing each other. He has turned his back towards her. She has turned her back towards him. Lovers in reverse. It is like you don't see that your person is putting efforts on you, or they are not calling you. They don't text you. They don't call you. Maybe you're not in touch with each other. since a month, could be 2 months, 3 months. What's happening? What's happening with my Saji? Let's see. See? Oh my God, look at this. You just don't see any potential in this relationship. Not that you don't love this person, Saji. You really love this person. You know, at times I feel that you stay awake in the night thinking about this person for hours and hours. You are literally missing them. Like, you could be crying, you know, for this person at times. But somehow this person has shattered your confidence. It is like shattered your dreams. I won't say confidence. This person has shattered your dreams. You literally had some big hopes, but you don't see any potential. Ace of Wands reverse, 3 of Wands here, Hangman here, 2 of. You feel that this person is in and out. They are there, they are not there. You don't know. You just don't know. But you know, there is this divine cord. You are attached to this person somehow. You know, you are attached to this person. You want to cut that cord and move forward, but somehow I don't see you. You're not being able to do that. You want to move forward, but you cannot. Okay, some of you, you're literally focusing on your future. Like, you don't want to pay attention to this person. See, you don't want to pay attention to this person. You have come to this point where you are like, hell with this person. I don't care. If they want to come back, they will come back. Otherwise, let me focus on my pentacles. And you're trying to go forward in life. Like, you want to focus on your work. Maybe some of you, you don't want any love relationship. You're not ready. You know, this person has put you in a place where this person has given you so much pain, Sagittarius, that you don't want to fall into love so early. Like, you know, your focus is career right now. Your focus is career, and you are going with the flow. You don't know, because I don't see any closure. I don't see any closure between you and this person. Not that this person has officially come and said that they are going to leave you, or not that you have officially broken up. No, I don't see anything like this. It's just that things have stopped all of a sudden. Things are stuck somewhere. There is no forward movement. For some of you, maybe there is an option in your life. Somebody new that has come in your life. They're trying to talk to you, communicate to you, but you are like, you're not ready. You're just not ready. You have kept this person as a friend, but I do see that there is somebody who is going to get close to you very soon. Okay, somebody who may land up giving you an offer, but I don't see you open to any love right now. What is your person's feeling towards you? Okay. See, who are you dealing with, Saji? This person, didn't I just say this person was juggling you with somebody else? I think this person left you for somebody else in the past, okay? Yeah, I certainly see that this person may have left you for someone else in the past, and now they're coming back. They're not happy with whoever they are. They're just not happy. This person has realized that, you know, one thing that I see is this person has realized your value. They know that they cannot find another you. That is why this person is coming back. Look at this. This person will do every possible thing to win you back, Sagittarius. Okay, they're coming back. Some of you, you could be dealing with an ex of yours. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who may have come back in your life. This is a friend of yours, or this is an ex of yours. I don't know. You could be dealing with an ex, some of you. Look at this, Emperor. Holding on to their ego. You are dealing with somebody who is very dominating. This person is somebody who wants you to take initiative always. Okay, not ready to open up. They don't talk. I certainly feel that this person has ghosted you. It is like they stopped talking to you all of a sudden. No communication. Even if the communication was there, there was no forward movement. Like, things were pretty stuck in this relationship. Things are pretty stuck in this relationship. Okay. See, now this person is going to come back, but there is a delay. We have the Chariot in reverse, so there is going to be some delay. You may have to wait, could be for 10 days, 7 days. Okay, 7 days, 10 days, but I think expect a communication, because this person is not happy with whoever they are. See, you know what, guys, this person is still thinking about you. This person is still thinking about you, and they have made up their mind to leave whoever they are with to be with you. Okay, this person is going to come back, apologize maybe. I don't see them apologizing though, because I see an Emperor energy. Look, what, right when I said apologizing, what did I see? Two of Cups. They won't apologize because this person is in this Emperor energy, but they will try to fix things, like subtle, in a subtle way. You know, they'll try to crack a conversation, they will go slow, and they want to fix things with you, Sagittarius. Okay, this person wants to fix things with you. They're not happy. Some of you have literally given up. You know, I feel that, you know what guys, you have love. I am not saying, it's like you miss this person. At times you cry for this person. Okay, and this is mutually. At times you also cry, this person also cries. But I don't know, this person, you're dealing with somebody who is very egoistic. It is like it is either my way or highway, and maybe you both are strong-headed in some cases, because of which this relationship is going for a toss. You feel that how much will you do? Okay, this person is somebody who didn't pay attention to you. Maybe you were the one who kept sending them messages, calls, text, and this person was trying to push you away. It is like you send them 10 messages and then you will get a reply, or you will call them 10 times and they will answer your call after you have called them 10 times, 15 times. So this person was acting pricey in the past. I feel that. See, Three of Pentacles. For some of you, definitely this person was with a third party. I don't see any serious relationship, but could be either you're dealing with somebody who is married, or this person was with somebody else. Now this is not for all of you, but yes, third party is there for some of you, because of which this person ghosted you. You were confused, you know, why are they not calling you, why are they not messaging you, and this separation has brought you to a place where you have completely given up on this person. Now I feel that even if they come back, you know, there is this love. I know you love them, but you're not going to be so easy this time. So maybe you have come to this point where you are like, I'm going to act pricey this time, I'm not going to accept you so easily. You have given me a lot of difficult time, now you wait and watch. So see, right when I said, what do I have? Three of Swords, Four of, what did I just say? That you are going to reject this person when they come this time. You're done. You can't bear this anymore. See, some of you literally done. I don't say that you don't love this person. You have love for this Saji. You literally wished for this person at one point in time, and there is a strong chemistry between both of you, but somehow you're not happy. You know, you are hurt. You know, this person has put you in this energy where you're literally in pain. You don't want to go through all this. Now you're not sure about this person. Okay, but as far as the outcome is concerned, this person is going to come, and this person will try to woo you back. They will try to crack a conversation. Now of course you have a choice. What do you want to do? Would you want to accept them or reject? See, some of you literally feel that it's over, but it's not over. Literally, like, you have come to this place where you have given up on this person. It is like you are already focusing on your future, literally focusing on your money, focusing on your health, especially your career. I see you turning your back towards this person. You feel that things are over. This person has put you in a third party situation. See, Three of Pentacles, Three of Swords. They have given you so much of pain. You don't want to be with this person anymore. Some of you are literally in this hermit mode. You're thinking what to do. Should I end this relationship with this person and move on, or should I be with this person? So you're confused. You don't know what to do. Okay. Let's see, Saji, what else? Any message? Religious factor and chemistry. I said there's a strong chemistry between both of you. How much ever you try to go away from this person, you guys come back. It is like there is a magnetic attraction. As I said, this is a divine relationship. So at times this happens. If it's a divine connection, you're being drawn to each other in spite of, you know, you want to move on. You really want to move on. You're done with this person. You don't want this person anymore. Lovers reverse. Hangman, you don't want this person, but there's something in you that, you know, there is this love, you know, you really love this person a lot. Religious factor, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Could be that either there is an age gap between both of you, or some religious factor, maybe your thoughts don't really match. Okay, so either you both are from two different places, two different backgrounds, or could be age gap, could be that there is some difference between both of you. Okay, now one is highly spiritual, the other is not. That could also be the thing. Any other message for my... Okay, I think I've got this. This could be the one. See, there is this potential in this relationship, Sagittarius. Separation. What did I say? That you guys are in separation, no talk, no contact between each other. Okay, you both are not talking to each other. That is why, you know, you feel that things are over between both of you, but it is not. It is not. I don't see an end still here, guys. Okay, I feel that, you know why I don't see, of course you have a choice, but this person is not going to give up on you. How much ever you try, they are not going to leave you. That is one. Number two is, you know why? That's because this is the one, you know, this is a connection that has been sent in your life. Now this connection has a reason to be in your life. It is like this person has been sent. Now, as I said, this person either is your soulmate or your twin flame, which is why you both, in spite of that you having a desire to move away from this person, you cannot, like there is something that's making you wait, or you're still stuck with this person. Okay, reason being that you are divinely guided towards each other. This person is a twin flame or a soulmate, because of which you want to move away from this person, but you can't. Some of you, I feel that you're very angry, very angry. It's like this person will literally have to break their head to win you again. Okay, it is like, even if they come, I don't think you're going to accept this person. Look at this. I don't see you accepting them back so easily. I don't know. It's going to be very difficult. You're going to make very difficult for this person this time, Saji. And good. Please do that. I'm happy. Such people, they deserve this. Okay, now this is like the 10 of Wands. Focus on your career. That's the advice, Sagittarius. Okay, focus on your career. You're being asked to confusion. Some of you, you're confused. You have to take a decision. What do you want? First, maybe you have to take a decision, Sagittarius. So there is a decision that is pending at your side. You may have to take a decision. This has come as an advice. 10 of Wands. Some of you, you're being asked to still put efforts on this person. Don't give up so easily. You may take your time. You want to be hard to this person. Be, no problem. But don't give up so soon. Ace of Swords. See, you're being asked to compromise. If at all you can, do compromise. Alright? You're being asked to work on this relationship. Some of you, there is a decision that is pending. So you may have to take a decision. Alright? So which is pending since a long time. I don't know, this could be in your career, love life. So this is just an advice that I've got here. All right. Oh my god, look at this 4 of Wands. I think some of you, you're going to get married to this person, but it's not so easy. I know that things are very difficult, but because you are in the soulmate connection, you will end up being married to this person. Literally, see, I was not going to pick any other card, but it just flipped and I had the 4 of Wands in reverse. Oh shits. Right when I said 4 of Wands, 6 of Wands. Definitely you guys are going to come back. How much ever you try, Sagittarius. I know this person is difficult, but that is what you are being asked to. You're being asked to compromise with this person, okay? Some of you, you literally, this is the message, like, you know, work on this person. This person will change and you may have to compromise. That's the message. Now the choice is yours. If you're not happy, then there is a decision, maybe career decision. Maybe you have to make a choice in your career. I don't know, something about your career. So focus on that. Okay, a decision is pending. This could be in your career. I don't know, something. Okay. So that was that, my Sagittarius. I really hope this helps and resonates. And if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. And that was that. You guys take care. Be safe. Bye.